Okay, I'm just gonna go over the steps of factoring these one more time so you kind of have another example. So remember, the first step is to take your A number and your C number and to multiply them. So 4 times 6 is 24. That's gonna go at the top. And then that middle number, or the B, is going to go at the bottom. So our little graphic organizer is gonna have 24 and 25. Then we're trying to fill in the sides, thinking of two numbers that can multiply to get the top. So two numbers that can multiply to get 24 and add to get the bottom. So here, it looks like 1 times 24 will give me 24, and 1 plus 24 will give me 25. So those are my two numbers. Then I'm gonna go back to my equation. I'm gonna still keep my first number the same and still keep my last number the same. And I'm gonna take those two numbers that I came up with and I'm gonna put them in the middle, adding a variable. So this will be 4y squared plus 1y, and then plus 24y. Then I'm gonna split my problem in half, and I'm going to look for what the greatest common factor of each of these is and divide by that. So if I look at my first half, the greatest common factor of 4y squared and 1y is just gonna be 1y. The only number that can go into both is 1, and because they both have a y, I'm gonna use y. So 4y squared divided by 1y will give me 4y, and 1y divided by 1y will just give me 1 because the y's will cancel. So that's gonna be the result of my first division. Now remember, when we do this second one, we will know that we got this correct if we get this exact same thing. So our goal is to get the exact same thing. So the biggest number that can go into both of these is gonna be 6, and I'm not gonna use a y because they both don't have y. When I divide 24y by 6, I'm gonna get 4y, and 6 divided by 6, I'm gonna get 1. So you see that I know I did it correctly because I have the same thing on both sides. So now for my final answer, that 4y plus 1 is going to be one of my parentheses. I came up with it twice, but in my final answer, I only need to use it once. My other parentheses is going to be the two numbers that I divided by. So I divided this one by 1y and this one by 6. So my second parentheses is going to be 1y, and I'm going to say plus 6 because the 6 is positive. And this would be my final factored answer.